Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. In front of me I have cleaning tool and I'm going to use only this brush, only one. You can use a toothbrush if you haven't cleaning tool. And I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. It doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. And if you have it, I recommend it to use it. Now, right here on the side we have, on the front side we have charging contacts, this blue golden dot. And also I have charging contacts at the charging case. So firstly, I will apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts at my left earbud. And then I will clean it with a brush. And then let's move to the right one. And also let's clean it. Here we go. Also, I wanna apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts at my charging case, and I will clean it with the same brush. And on the right side. Now let's clean the grill. So we need to remove ear tip. Right here we have the grill and just slightly clean it. Okay, now let's apply ear tip and move to the right one. Now we need to apply this ear tip, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!